from Life in High Definition. I hope you are doing all right and your day is going to be improved by watching me. At least I hope so. There comes a time in the month for most women of a certain age that they will have to face the period. Can Pink Parcel give us something to cheer us through that moment this month, or will they be pissing me off like last month? That is the question. And last month, the value of Pink Parcel and Betty Box, because they are now exactly the same, no matter if you are 14 or you are 44, you will be getting the same products. Does it make sense? Not so much. But what can we do? This is their thing that they're on. They need to watch out because Eve's Parcel is knocking at their door. So I was like very, very disappointed in the value of the box. And then I watched somebody else's video and they'd been sent an email from Pink Parcel to say the lipstick was missing. So there was a Laritzi lipstick and I did get them sent to me afterwards. It was quite a long time afterwards as well. And that's fine. I don't know how much they're worth, maybe £16-ish, but I didn't really look it up. It's a colour I've had before, so they're just going in my pile. But the point being, if you're not sending a product, you can write a little card, a slip of paper, and put it in each box to say, a Laritzi lipstick is actually going to be sent afterwards, rather than just sending an email. I mean, okay, that takes a moment, but it's a moment to show you care, rather than just being like, well, we couldn't get our act together, or something couldn't get its act together for this month. Do you know what I mean? So I didn't really feel placated by that. So, shall we see if this month is better? So if you want to see what's inside, then I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, share this when you're done, and subscribe. Just sign in and subscribe. It's worth it, I promise. All right, let's get into the video. There's a few things in there. Should we get started? Let's do this big thing first. Now, this just looks like this. Can you see that? Cougar Cosmetics. This is the one that is Paula Dunn Cougar Cosmetics. You're So Vanilla Sugar and Vanilla Facial Scrub, Natural Skin Exfoliator, Super Antioxidant Powers. Now the whole of this jar is slippery. It's like whatever's in it has escaped, melted out. It's a bit, I don't know if greasy is the word, but yeah, it would be nicer if it hadn't. And also there's something else in here where this had kind of leaked onto it and left a grease mark. And I had a look at this online and it doesn't come in these little tubs, so I don't really know what that's about. To be honest, this looks to me like a person who's just starting out with a beauty brand and they've got their tubs themselves, printing off their labels themselves, and are doing the best they can because they're at the start of life. Because if you look in there, it's not even good. In fact, I'll open the lid and you can see better. It's not like it's a completely full jar. But at 50 grams, this is what they count as full size. And I'm sorry, but I wouldn't pay £18 for this, would you? It's not just about the packaging. If they were like, right, we're keeping the packaging simple because we want to put everything into the product, fine. But it just feels like somebody's got some sugar, they've got some vanilla essence, and they've put it in here. Do you know what I mean? It does smell quite nice, but I can smell butter as well. I bet there's butter in here, and that's why it's greasy. It smells like you're going to make a cake, and you know when you rub the sugar and the butter together? I feel a bit like, how can you say this is £18? I don't know. It says it's got sweet almond oil, orange peel oil, sugar and vanilla extract. It's maybe not butter, but it smells like butter. Well, let's get a bit on my finger. Oh, it's everywhere. Can you hear that? That is because, as I've just taken the lid off, put it on, I haven't spilt it. It's just all in the wrong bits, so it won't shut properly, which is probably how it leaked in the first place onto the other stuff. So you get the sugary stuff, and of course sugar is a good scrub. It's quite firm. Maybe I can be a bit more gentle with myself and messy, because now I'm getting sugar everywhere. I don't know, I just don't feel impressed by it. And I smell like butter. I don't smell like orange peel or sweet almond. It doesn't smell like almond at all. I know what almond smells like. It just smells like I've been making cakes, which is fine, but I don't need any encouragement to eat cake, you know, I don't want to smell a cake. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Right, This, of course, is something I've had before, not from Pink Parcel. I think we had it in Glossy Box. Daily Concepts, they've been doing the rounds, haven't they? Like, can you see all the grease marks on the top of there? See, it escaped. This is Your Facial Mini Scrubber with Smart Technology, Travel Size Makeup Remover Exfoliating Face Scrubber. I swear I've had this. I'm going to be so mad if I open this and it's exactly the same, but just this look, this has been washed. I don't know. Anyway, this is what it is. So it's a facial scrubber. You've got this side that's rougher, this side is less rough, so whatever you need to do, whatever areas of your face, and then replace when the writing fades, so you can keep it in your shower, hang it up, let it dry out. Pocket to slide fingers in for more control, sponge inside to create a luxurious lather. I wonder if that's the difference. No, this has got a bit of a sponge. This is so weird. I feel like I'm in the Matrix and a cat has just gone past twice. I'm about to get locked in and I need to escape. We believe that good thoughts attract good things, and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. We know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction, and most of the times we find that a shower or a bath will lead us to the solution. Is that the answer in life? Just a shower or a bath? If only I'd known. We work to inspire and get inspired, delivering daily concepts and everyday products that enhance the human experience. We are here to change the world, your world, one shower at a time. Clean is a state of mind. And cruelty free. So yeah, there you go. This does make it handier because I don't have to worry about dropping it in the bath and all that kind of stuff. This is fine. So yeah, I do like it. This one is definitely rougher. I guess the more you use it, the less rough it'll get. So yeah. So maybe I haven't had it before. So confused. Shall we do the tea bag? This is chocolate, turmeric, ginger and almond from Dilma. Red rooibos tea with turmeric root, ginger root, natural flavourings and black peppercorns, packed in Sri Lanka. And it looks like this. I have had one of these tea bags before. I haven't actually tasted it. Well, look at this, it makes me think it's going to taste like hot chocolate. It's not going to taste like hot chocolate. But yeah, tea bag. Chocolate with oil stain from the stuff. And it says, be kind to yourself, milk chocolate bar. Yes, milk chocolate, not salted chocolate, not dark chocolate, milk chocolate for the milk chocolate lovers. This is from the brand Choc on Choc. I couldn't find these exact things, but they do seem to have a lot of chocolate things to buy. Yeah, pretty good. Tastes nice. Then we have this. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Night Cap Overnight Protector. If you just watched my Look Fantastic video, then this is what I was talking about. How many things do we need to be able to do to our hair? Like seriously. But at least this one doesn't require a nightcap over your head. You can just pop it on. It's pillow safe, it says. Apply to damp or dry hair before bed from roots to end. Comb through. Are you literally joking me? I can't comb through this. I can only comb it through when it's wet. So it'd have to be enough in here to get my hair wet. Leave in or wash out in the morning. Fast absorbing, pillow safe. Use as often as needed. Honestly, I think if I do this, I'll get through the whole tube. Maybe that's what I should try. I should just do it in the video. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells really nice. It's quite a loose one. So if I try and get it through sections. But honestly, I can't, if I brush my hair now, it will just do this. It's kind of like back combing. So I would have to do a section, or maybe the ends, and then when I comb it through, it will go back up to the root. Yeah, that's probably the best idea. So if you wanted to see me with a new hairdo, here you are. The Frizzmeister, yeah. And before people write saying me, oh, your hair looks great like that. This is small. As it dries, it will only get bigger and more fluffy mess like this. It's not cute. It's not cute. But I've used the whole thing up, squeezed it to within an inch of its life. So if you have hair that's my length, like if I pull it straight, it's down to my belly button. So that, you know, longish hair and thick hair, then 30mm will just about do you. I would have preferred more, but you know, got what you got. If you have shorter hair or finer hair, then this will probably give you a few goes. But it smells nice, and at least I finally used one of my hair products. I always forget to really get into them. So I'm happy to have done this. Yes, you guys inspire me. Then we have this. What's that, you say? Something for the bath? No, look closer. This is Peace from Macacha. Plant protein vanilla shake with holy basil and lavender. Food supplement with natural sweetener. What is this doing in a beauty box? This isn't particularly for periods. Well, maybe it is, in that it says iron contributes to reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Some people can feel more tired during their period because they're losing some iron. Is that why it's in here? I mean, I've never seen anything like this before in a Pink Parcel. But to me, this would replace the tea bag. Do you know what I mean? You don't need 2 drinks. I hope this is nice. I don't know. I've never tasted it. Protein contributes to the maintenance of muscle mass and normal bones. Iodine contributes to normal function of the nervous system, including normal cognitive function. It's high in protein, raw and vegan, 19 grams of protein per serving, and it's a 33-gram packet. Mix with 250 ml of water, nut milk, or blend into your favourite juice or smoothie. For best results, take within half an hour after exercise, 1 or 2 sachets daily. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Then we have our last item. And this is a face mask. So, you know, I'm not going to be disappointed in that. I like a face mask from Vita Mask. It's a sleep-in mask. I've got a sleep-in hair mask. Now I'm going to sleep-in face mask. No parabens, no fexi, no what? No paraben, no phenoxyethanol. This is the Purl one for brightening. It will be absorbed by the skin while you sleep. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. This is an overnight facial Purl sleeping mask. So that's quite cute. I like the packaging. I am going to do this now. So I will take off my makeup and I'll be back. So when you look this side, it says sleeping mask. It looks like a little pearl in a shell there. And if you turn it this way, you can see the outline of a spoon. So how do I... Oh, I think I've got it. You take the plastic off and the spoon is just that. It's just like an indent of a spoon. It's not like a... I thought there was going to be a spoon in there. Okay, and then you take this bit off. Teeth required again. I'm really nervous I'm going to get face mask in my mouth now. Oh, I see. As I pull this off, it smells quite nice. Can you see? It's like a gel. There's a jelly bit. And then like a pearl bit in the middle, and there's a bit that's on the lid. So let's use this very small spoon to mix it in. So I guess you mix the pearl into the gel. So it's all for stylishness. But because of the way around this was in the packet, you could only see the other side, which still looks like that. So why did they go to all this effort of having a thing that you've got to mix when you don't even see the pearl until you open it for 2 seconds before you mix it? Is it supposed to be the other way around? But no, because that's the bit that's sticking out. Oh, I don't know. Style over substance, I think. So when you're finished mixing it, kind of looks like a pinky colour. And then you just pop it on your face. I've actually got my spatula because this is getting stuck in that dent. That's just stupid. It's stuck in the spoon shape. This is one of those ones that I feel like, because it's quite thin, I could easily spread it over my face and then have some left for tomorrow. But they say it's a one-time mask, and you know, you've done all your mixing now, so I suppose I might as well lather it on. At least it smells nice. And it's absorbing into my skin quite nicely as well. It'll be very interesting to see if this does have an effect in the morning. It feels like I've got everywhere covered, but there's more, so I'm just gonna... because it's all stuck in the grooves. That's not a cool design. Because I don't like to leave any, because I feel like, you know, if you've got your product, you want it on your face. You don't want it on your... left in your packaging, do you? You want to use it all. There we go. So that will absorb in, and hopefully I'll have a nice, bright, fresh complexion tomorrow. Now, If nothing happens, I won't take a picture, and if something happens, I will. Gosh, I look so shiny. But at least this means, you know, my hair is ready for bed, my face is ready for bed. That's a bonus. So Pink Parcel, you've done something useful. Now, as has become usual, Pink Parcel did not put a booklet in, and it's really quite getting on my nerves. Like, it's not that hard to make a booklet, is it? Surely. Is it that hard? You've now retracted in your business and stuff, so just give us a booklet. Anyway, of course, me being me, you know I've written everything down. And the total value this month is £44.71. So at least we're back up there with our £40 at least per month in goodies, as well as our period products. So that is much better. How do I feel about the items? Well, these are, I think, all new, because I don't know, do I have this one? I've just found the round one, which I've definitely got two of, and I'm thinking maybe I got confused and I've just had a similar one to this. So maybe I haven't had this one before, so that's good. Anyway, it doesn't matter. The face mask, never tried that before. The hair product, never tried that before. The tea bag, you know, fine. Chocolate, fine. But that protein shake thing, what is that about? I just don't feel like it's appropriate. If they put in a note and said, we're putting this in because we wanted a way for you guys to regain iron during your period, I'd say, okay, I kind of understand it, but I feel like it should be either an extra or in replacement of the tea bag. I just don't get it. I really don't get it. And that sugar scrub thing, well, you've seen the picture of what it should be like, the packaging, and this one is just messy all over, and Cougar by Purl done is kind of trying to make a silk purse out of sow's ear. Do you know what I mean? I have no problem with people trying to make stuff at home, set their business up, get going, all that jazz. But I do feel like if you are not making it to a certain standard, don't give it a price tag of £18. Give it a price tag of £8 and people will be more like, oh yeah, that's cool, or do you know what I mean? Because it just doesn't seem to fit. I think I'd feel a lot better about it if it wasn't greasy on the outside and it hadn't got everywhere, probably. And that's down to the packaging and how someone's put it together. So that's your own problem. I can't help you with that. Just giving you my advice, your prices are high for what we're receiving compared to other brands who are doing similar thing and their packaging is much better. I don't need fancy packaging, but I do need it to be working. You know what I mean? Pink Parcel have done a bit better this month, but I'm still peeved. It's okay. I'm not as excited about this one as I am about Look Fantastic. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to see demonstrations of the products. Let me know down below, what do you think of the protein powder? Do you think it's just weird? Would you be excited about it? What are Pink Parcel up to? And of course, all your thoughts on the scrub as well would be much appreciated. Until I see you next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something wonderful every day. Bye guys.